Let's get ready for our next freezer prep. Chicken enchilada casserole. Let's put our date in there. We have our date, our title, and our special instructions. Alright, so let's go ahead and assemble it.
We got to finish what we started. We started on this journey to get to this place called there, and now we're here, and we got to finish. There's an anticipation of who we are, what we got, what we gonna do. There's an expectation from yourself, who we are, what we got, and what we gonna do. And then there's validation at the end of it. When we do what we do, but you got to finish what you started. What y'all about to do is hadn't been done in quite some time. I see the dancing, I see the gyrations, I see the anticipation, I see the expectation. But are you gonna finish what you started? Remember what I said? There's anticipation, there's expectation, and it's on you for validation. I need all y'all to pull for each other. One thing we will not do today is beat ourselves. One thing we will not do today is beat ourselves. Because guess what we're going to do? We're going to finish what we started.
And let's make sure we get those instructions straight. Okay, so the last hour, we're going to cook on slow cook, but we're going to put it on high. Okay, and then the last hour, we're going to add 1 cup of cheese, a cup of tortilla chips. We have to put in our 1 cup of water. All right, so let's turn it on high. All right, so this is the 1 cup of water. So let's just go ahead and put this in. And I just want to remind you guys, this is the last of the 5 frozen meal packs that I made that we'll be cooking in the crock pot. Because remember, you get your best results if you cook them within a 3-month period, okay? So that's 1 cup of water, and I can't wait. Let's go ahead and put that lid on, and see you in about 3 or 4 hours.
Don't be mad at him because he provokes change. Don't be mad at him because he's a way maker. Don't be mad at her because she's a go-getter. Don't be mad at her because she's a doer. Don't be mad at him because no matter what you say and do, he's going to make it happen. Don't be mad at her because you can talk about all you want. She's going to keep on going like the little engine that could. Don't be mad because the job is getting done. Because somebody has to do it. And guess what? God chose you. God chose me. God chose her. God chose him. God chose us. Either you get in or you get out. Because guess what? The job's going to get done. Because we're called by God. So don't be mad. Think about that for a moment. Truth. I got mine.
All right, looks like we're almost done. It's been 3.5 hours. Let me turn it off. And unplug it. I don't know where to start. Maybe I'll start right here. Oh, maybe I'll start over here. You guys can see this, right? It's like a casserole, just like they said. This is a enchilada casserole.
See, the problem is with some dreams, the dreams are only about you. If your dream ain't bigger than you, there's a problem with your dream. So throughout my whole career, I understood there were going to be stones. Because when you make it a difference, it's going to be haters. When you're provoking change, it's going to be naysayers. People don't condone what they've never seen. And some of the stuff I tried to do, they had never seen. But when you talked about me, media, guess what? Behind you, I saw my mama. When you wrote about me, when you naysayed me, when you criticized me, I saw right through your papers, right through your TV, and I saw my mama. When you told me what I couldn't do, when you told me what I didn't do, when you told me what I would never be, I saw my mama pushing that cart. I expect to be great. I expect to do what hadn't been done. I expect to provoke change. I expect when I walk into a room and it's 72 degrees, when I get there, it's gonna be 70. I expect to make change. I expect certain things. People start expecting what you desire. Start thinking outside the box. On my shoes right now, on these kids' shirt behind them, it says, you gotta believe. I have a problem that if you don't believe in yourself, how will somebody else believe in you?